I give an example of computers in order to understand my bodies. Again, not the layer, but in a computer way. You have the plastic body of a computer or a metal body, screen, glass. That is Annamaya Kosha. Then you have electricity running into that system. Underneath, in it, is Pranamaya Kosha. You have apps and programs, Word, Excel, Chrome, all that is Manomaya Kosha. Which operating system it's all based on? Whether it's Windows or Mac or Android or anything else, is your Vigyanmaya Kosha. And computer doesn't have Anandamaya Kosha.